Blasch Precision Ceramics is introducing groundbreaking new technology that is saving refiners and chemical process plant operators millions of dollars. More than a trusted manufacturing partner, Blasch provides proactive solutions for the most complex high-temperature combustion, power generation, and heat transfer challenges. Many internal components of reaction furnaces are inherently flawed. Refractory brick, matrix, and cylindrical checker walls quickly collapse in the intense high-temperature, chemically-laden environment. Such failures disrupt throughput, delay production, and drive up costs. In response, Blasch developed the groundbreaking VectorWall, a mortar-free system, allowing for expansion and contraction under extreme heat and pressure without collapsing. A 100% success rate has been achieved with nearly 100 installations over the last 15 years.
Well, we began to question the VectorWall's impact on turbulence, backmixing, dwell time, pressure drop, and other parameters that influence reactions. Our team engineered a patented vectoring hood that allowed us to control downstream flow. While traditional checker walls have very little influence on downstream flow fields, VectorWalls allow for the creation of many alternative flow patterns. Flow can be vectored into a simple helical configuration, which has proven very helpful in keeping polyphase flows mixed. Even greater mixing across the entire chamber volume can be achieved using a dual helical flow. Alternating the vector hoods on a row-by-row basis develops an exceptionally high shear rate.
Blasch is working with Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute to accurately predict process improvements. Using the university's powerful supercomputers, research scientists are modeling computational fluid mechanics and complex reaction kinetics to provide reliable predictive outcomes.
The supercomputer here, an IBM Blue Gene Q, is one of the fastest academic supercomputers in the world. RPI is partnering with Blasch to use this computer for simulating their VectorWall process, specifically for Claus operations. The VectorWall introduces very complicated fluid mechanics into the whole system, which is essential for increasing the productivity of the plant. And in order to do these highly turbulent fluid mechanic calculations, a supercomputer is essential. So our calculations with the supercomputer are designed to optimize VectorWall installations for any given customer. Our preliminary evidence seems to suggest that the customers get at least a 50% improvement in their productivity and essentially a 50% improvement in their bottom line by using a VectorWall system over a classical baffle wall system.
Blasch has also established strategic partnerships to distribute and implement VectorWall technology, including a key alliance with sulfuric acid technology leader DuPont MECS.
Building on the value that Blasch is delivering to the Claus SRU application, DuPont MECS is proud to be the exclusive distributor for VectorWall and VectorWall product lines applied to sulfuric acid plant and spent acid regeneration units worldwide. We plan to aggressively roll out this groundbreaking technology to all of our new plant and revamp projects.
When we first developed the concept of the VectorWall, we had a pretty good idea that there would be positive economic consequences for the operators of reaction furnaces. What we discovered was nothing less than remarkable. Many of our international customers were reporting 30% gains in productivity throughput, increases that were heretofore unheard of. Operators can finally control the flow field in large-scale pressure vessels for the first time and control process variables such as mixing, dwell time, and pressure drop. Wherever thermal reactions take place, chances are our VectorWall and VectorWall will outperform and save your company millions of dollars. If you're planning an outage or a new full-blown installation, give us a call today to get started.
Blasch Precision Ceramics, 800-550-5768.